Photoshop CS5 provides a variety of tools that you can use to select regular and irregular shapes. After selecting a portion of an image, you can apply effects to it, duplicate it, or move it without altering the remainder of the image. You can also select images from different photographs and move them onto a new canvas to create composite images. A selection in Photoshop is identified on screen by a dotted black and white outline known as a marquee. Photoshop CS5 provides 9 main selection tools, including 4 Marquee Tools, 3 Lasso Tools, and the Quick Selection and Magic Wand tools. Marquee Tools enable you to select regular areas within images. When you click and hold the active Marquee tool, such as the rectangular Marquee tool, options for enabling the Marquee tools are listed in the Marquee section of the Tools panel. You want to select a rectangular window in an image. To begin, you click the rectangular Marquee tool icon, which currently displays in the Tools panel. You position the cursor on one of the corners of the window and drag your cursor to its opposite corner. You release the mouse button and the area is selected. After selecting an area, you can easily move it to another position on the image. To do this, you first select the Move tool. You then click and drag the selection to the desired position. Alternatively, with the Move tool selected, you can use the arrow keys to move the selection. What do the Marquee tools in Photoshop enable you to do? The Lasso tool enables you to manually select irregular areas on an image. This requires a steady hand and isn't suitable for creating highly accurate selections. Photoshop provides 2 additional Lasso tools. You want to make a selection of an irregular object in an image. To begin, you click the Lasso tool icon, which displays in the Tools panel. You click a point on the image where you want the selection to start. Then you trace the outline of your selection while holding down the mouse button.